Good morning, guys. I just woke up here in Australia and I'm just going to take you through a really quick morning beauty and makeup routine. I don't love to wear a lot, and especially if I'm just at home all day, there's no point. But, you know, for those Zoom meetings you're all doing, here's something really quick that I do. Okay, firstly, wash your face. I'm using this cosmetics cleanser in the morning. Pretty clean. I will follow that up with this is Audacity serum, plus it's kind of like a face oil, because I've just found this magic tool. You can put it all over your face. This machine, Pure Lift Face, it's like incredible. It kind of, you turn it on and it stimulates all your muscles to just tighten and like get rid of all that puffiness, because when I wake up in the morning, it's like, bing. I sometimes can't see my eyes. Just too much salt, or I don't know. But you can use a jade roller or just face massage, you know, get all that puffiness from around your eyes and your jawline. That's where I usually find it the most. So just give yourself a little face massage. I then rinse that off. I love using the Chanel toner just to get, you know, that excess off, and then I just go straight into moisturizer. Chanel Solution 10 is a really good, simple moisturizer. It only has like 10 ingredients, so it's a beautiful thing to put on in the mornings, all over your face. And then I'm going to go into using this Chanel. This is actually a sunblock. This is SPF 50, and I love this because, especially here in Australia, if you're even outside for a moment, you can get freckles, as you see. So this is SPF 50 sunblock foundation, and it doesn't go on all white. See how it's just like a beautiful kind of texture and consistency? It's super sheer. You know, I'm always of the belief that we should never hide ourselves under layers of makeup. You know, let's just, you know, improve what's there. And then we can use our concealer to cover, you know, the places that need to be covered more. So I prefer just, you know, a sheer foundation. This one's amazing. Chanel also has SPF, and then I put on some Barbara Sturm sun drops, just where I need it the most, kind of around here. I'm running low on that. All right. If I was really doing it properly. Anyway, you get the picture. I kind of press that into my skin, just where it needs it the most, which is like the T-zone, just for some added sun protection. So my next thing, I love this Clear to Peau concealer. If you've moisturized underneath, see, I've got some friends here we want to cover. Oof, dude, what are they doing? So I prefer to use this where any redness or blueness, any discoloration is, and that will just even out your skin tone without making you look like you have makeup on. And that is the trick. Let's not mask ourselves. So press that in. Yeah, that's a really amazing consistency, this one. Thoroughly recommend it. Really good coverage, but seeps into the skin and makes you look like you've got nothing there. Okay, my next thing is eyebrows. One of my biggest problems with how people sell you eyebrow products, they always try and make you go way too dark. I have dark hair, and they always try to sell me dark brown eyebrow shadow, but it's so severe when it's done that way. I always actually buy like an ash blonde shadow, and I find, that is absolutely dark enough. For me, it's not about making your brows darker. It's just about filling them in so they're a little bigger and brushing them up. I like to go, my eyebrows are different, so I have to even them up, and you might find yours are too. A lot of people have kind of uneven faces, and that is normal. So it's more aging to increase a big arch on your eyebrow and make your eyebrows thin. If you want to look more youthful, fill them out and brush them up. There we go. Even that up on the other side. All right, my absolute favorite product at the moment is this RMS. These lip to cheeks are incredible. So I'm using like a smallish shape brush. See how tiny it is? And this is so fail safe. It is all natural. I put it across my, oh, that was quite a bit. But as I say, fail safe. One side to the next and just really blush it in. And so this blush, it's because it's cream, it sinks into your skin over time. It kind of makes you just look like you've got that flush, glowy skin. Maybe you've seen some. I put it on my eyes as well. And look. And lips. I just love these bottles that can be used for, you know, lips, cheeks, and eyes. I think it's actually a really flattering kind of youthful tone to use. This one's called Promise. As you can see, blusher above and almost blending it out onto your nose as if you've just been touched by the sun. If you were to use bronzer or contour, I tend to do this one's amazing, the Soleil Tan by Chanel. This, I would go under the cheekbone, under the jawline, under the cheekbone, under the jawline, and really buff that in with a much bigger brush. But yeah, as I say, you know, kind of, I pick one or the other, a little bit of both, but this blush at the moment, super fresh and beautiful. This RMS Illuminizer is also gorgeous. See the consistency here? Yeah. Oh, I just love. Anyway, I'm gonna put a little bit in the corner of my eyes. My Cupid's bow and on top of my cheekbones. So there's your rolls. Illuminator, top of the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. I like a little on the chin. Some people hate it. Up to you. And so contour goes here, under the cheekbone and under the jawline. So all these little tips and tricks about placement are, you know, how we change the shape of our face or accentuate our features to make our cheekbones pop, or get rid of those tired puffy faces we have in the morning. And so I'm going to finish that off with some mascara. This L'Oreal False Lash Telescopic Mascara is great because it doesn't go too over the top. It's just a natural look. And yeah, this is something that you do not have to be a makeup artist to replicate. We're using creams and very sheer foundations, concealer only where we need it, and filling our brows in. Super simple stuff. You can do it. But please comment and let me know what else you want to see. Love you guys. Mwah.